afternoon, everyone. Today class will be on how to make use of measuring scale. I'll be teaching you how to use this to measure some of the baking ingredients. Are you getting it? So you can see this is our manual scale. You know, I told you, if you remember from the last class, I told you we have two types of scale. We have what? The digital scale, and we also have the what? Manual scale. So, but today I will be teaching you on how to use this digital scale, because we have some bakers that they don't make use of scale. They use eye gauge in measuring their ingredients, and it's not good. So as a professional baker, you must learn how to make use of your what? Your scale. Are we together?
Yes,
so you
ma'am.
can see there is no, whenever you buy your scale, this pan comes with it. This pan is the pan that we use. Whatever you will be measuring, you are going to place it on this pan. So you need this pan, it's very important. So when you are measuring, you just have, you know, when you remove this, if I remove this, if you notice that this scale, okay, let me start this way. As a baker, we make use of this red, you see this red measurements, these red numbers. That's what we use in measuring our own, that's what we use to measure our own ingredients. Other people, I don't know those people that use this black, but we focus on this red. Are you getting it?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
If you notice that this red, the reading is from where? Zero. Then we have 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So each measurement is per what? Kg. This one is reading what? 1 kg. This 2 is reading what? 2 kg. This is 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg, 6 kg, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on till 20 kg. Are you getting it? So now, if you notice, please, you can come closer. If you notice that there is a small stroke that follows this 0. You see the short stroke. That short stroke is what? 50 gram. You see all those short stroke, they are measured. The unit for measurement is what? Is in gram. But you see all these 1, 2, 3, they are what? The unit for their measurement is in kg. It can be converted to kg, and you can also use it as gram. I will explain. So now you notice this short stroke is 50 gram. The longer one that follows the short stroke is what? 100 gram. The shorter one that follows the long one is what? 150 gram. The next one will be what? 200 gram. The next one will be what? 250 gram. The next one will be 300 gram,
350,
400,
400,
450,
450,
then 500. You see the 500 here? In between the 1 and 0. So it's not 500 naira. It's what? Make sure you put the what? Unit. So I need a response. 500 grams. So we continue that way. 550 gram, 600 gram,
650 gram, 700 gram, 750 gram, 800 gram, 850 gram, 900 gram, 950 gram,
then 1000 gram. That 1000 gram cannot be converted to what?
1
kg. How do we convert it? It's a simple mathematics. You use your what? Stop. Simple arithmetic is that 1000 gram is converted to what? This sign in mathematics is called what? Equivalent. So it's converted to what? 1 0 raised to power 3, which is also what?
1 kg.
1 kg. Kg means what? Kilogram. Are you getting it? So that's the simple arithmetic there. G means what? Gram. So these are units used in measuring what? The powder form or the weight of that particular things we are measuring. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. So that 1 kg can also be called what? Is equivalent to what? 1000 gram. So the 2 kg is equivalent to what?
2000
gram. So now if I want to convert to 2.5 kg, can you convert it for me to
yes,
gram?
as 2,500.
Exactly. So how do we get this? This is confusing to some people. It's just simple. You know that it will be what? How do you convert it? So how do we convert now? If 1,000 gram is what? Is equals to 1 kg. So now we want to get, I asked you to convert this 2 kg to 2,500 gram.
Yes,
so now
ma'am.
we are looking for x. This 2,000 this gram. You understand? So it will now be x equals to 2.5 kg. Are you getting it? So we are trying to get what the gram of this x is. So what do? You cross multiply. Then that means this x, this 1,000, we multiply this.
2.5
That will be 1,000
times
gram times 2.5 kg. Please put your unit. We are heading somewhere. Then divided by this what? 1 kg. So your f will come this way. Are we together?
Yes.
So if you now multiply it together, so your 1,000 gram
times 2.5
will give you what?
2,500.
2,500. Now you notice that this divided by 1, anything that is dividing 1
It's still the same.
is still the same. So this kg, we cancel this kg. We are left with what? Gram. So the gram will come this way. So that means our x is equal to 2,500 gram. So you see that we've arrived at the answer. Let's try to measure some stuff with this scale now. So I told you before you start your measurement, make sure your scale is reading 0. Are you getting it? Now, how do you get if your scale is on 0? You have to be at the center of the scale. The scale should be opposite your direction. You have to stay at the center, not side. You don't have to stay by the side. You have to stay at the middle. So from there, you will get your accurate measurements. If you notice that like this, it's not on 0. Are we together? It's not on 0 like this. So what do? We readjust it. This is the button to adjust it. So but you have to place your pan, because this your pan too has its own reading. So you have to place it on the scale. Then you adjust it back to 0. You can see it's now on 0. It's now on 0. You see it? This is it. So now let's start our measurement. Can I get? Now you see this icing sugar, this Akabado icing sugar is 1 kg. So let's check if the measurement is accurate. So now I'm going to place it on this scale. Can you see it? It's on 1. So that's 1 kg, which is also the same as what? 1,000 gram. So can I get another thing? Bring another icing sugar. It's also 1 kg. So I'm going to place it on this. So it's giving me what? 2 kg. Are we together?
Yes.
So you see that the measurement is correct. So bring another thing entirely. Bring anything. You can bring any weight. Yeah. See, this margarine is 250 grams. So let's confirm if it's correct. So I'm going to put it. Now look at the reading. You see it? I told you the first short stroke is what? 50 grams. Now let's count from there. You can't count by the side. You have to come to the middle. Look at it. You see? 50, 100, 150, 200. Then what? 250. Do you see it? So that means all this, everything together like this. So everything together is giving me what? 1 kg. Are you getting it? So you see the simple arithmetic. Very simple and easy. Yeah. So now I want to measure this. Yeah. Sorry that it's not a baking tools or item, but I just need something that is weighty. So I want to place it. So what's this weighing? I need answer. Can someone give me the answer?
4.5.
Okay. Can you see it? So it's weighing what? 4.5 naira, abi?
No, 4.5 kg. 4,500 grams.
Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. So with this, we've come to the end of the measurement class. Thank you.